Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Lasco Financial Services reports a 12% increase in 3 months net profit. The team at Lasco Financial Services highlighted that the diversified nature of the group's income streams continues to support stable revenue growth and reinforces our strategic focus on broadening customer engagement across both traditional and digital channels. As such, net profit for the 3 months amounted to 45.55 million Jamaican dollars, a 12% increase from the 40.52 million Jamaican dollars reported in 2025. Next up, A.S. Bryden and Sons Holding Limited reports a 91% decline in 6 months net profit attributable to shareholders. For the 6 months ended June 30, 2026, the group attributed the softness primarily to weaker demand in the premium beverages and industrial equipment businesses in Trinidad and Tobago, alongside a prolonged recovery period in the Jamaican tourism and hospitality sector. 3 listed companies have announced dividends for investors to collect. Massey Holdings has declared an interim dividend of Trinidad and Tobago 0.0354 cents per stock unit, payable on September 25, 2026 to stockholders on record as at August 28, 2026. The ex-dividend date is August 28. Dollar Financial Services Limited has advised that a meeting of its board of directors to be held on August 19, 2026, an interim dividend payment will be considered. Pan Jamaica Group Limited has declared a second interim dividend of 0.175 cents per share, payable on September 29, 2026 to shareholders on record as at September 7, 2026. The ex-dividend date is September 7, 2026. For the trading period of August 11, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 11,112,054 units, representing 35.07% of market sales. Omni Industries Limited with 2,952,667 units, representing 9.32% of market sales. Woodcats International Limited had shares with 2,453,819 units, representing 7.74% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for August 11, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.30 and buying at $157.28. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 35-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.46 and was bought for $114.11. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of 88 cents in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $214.18 and was bought for $213.30. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, what do bankers want to see from borrowers over the age of 50? Well, rebuilding credit after 50 is less about fixing a number and more about changing the financial story a lender sees. From a banker's perspective, they're looking for evidence of 3 things. 1, do you pay your obligations consistently, on time? Do you manage debt? Low balances and manageable monthly obligations demonstrate financial discipline. Do you have capacity? So we're talking about stable, documented income, and organized financial records help demonstrate that you can repay new financing. If you're over 50 and considering entrepreneurship, real estate, consulting, or another major financial move, don't wait until you need capital to start rebuilding your profile. Start now. Your credit report tells me about your financial history, but your current financial behavior tells more about your future as a borrower. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. See you soon.